What if I told you there's a dropshipping hack that could fundamentally change your financial future? And what if I told you it takes just 15 seconds to understand? Forget everything you think you know about needing a massive budget for ads or competing with retail giants. This is different. This is about working smarter, not harder. Now, let's get real for a moment. Here's a statistic that gets thrown around a lot, and for good reason. 70% of new dropshippers fail within their first year. That's a staggering number. It's the harsh reality of this business. People jump in with dreams of passive income. They follow the outdated advice of find a trending product, run some Facebook ads, and then they watch their bank accounts drain. They get caught in a cycle of testing products, spending hundreds or even thousands on ads that don't convert, and ultimately, they burn out. They conclude that dropshipping is dead or a scam, but it's not. They just played the game on hard mode, a game rigged against the newcomer. But what about the other 30%? The ones who succeed? They're not just surviving, they're thriving. They're consistently pulling in 30 to 40% profit margins, and sometimes even higher. Think about that. On a $10,000 revenue month, that's $3,000 to $4,000 of pure profit. For many, that's a life-changing amount of side income, or even a full-time living. The difference isn't luck. It's not about having a secret connection to a supplier. And it's definitely not about having deeper pockets for ad spend. The difference is strategy. It's a fundamental shift in approach. While the failing majority is shouting into a crowded stadium with expensive ads, the successful minority is having a quiet, persuasive conversation with a highly interested audience. They've cracked the code on generating traffic and sales without spending a fortune to do it. So what is this game-changing strategy? It's simple. Stop burning money on expensive, interruptive ads. Instead, the smart dropshippers are mastering organic content on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. They're creating engaging, problem-solving videos that the algorithm willingly pushes to thousands, or even millions, of potential customers for free. They're building a brand and a community, not just running a sales promotion. This isn't about a lucky viral video. It's about building a system that consistently drives free, high-intent traffic directly to their stores. The first step in this system is to stop competing where everyone else is. The days of selling generic LED light strips or posture correctors to a broad audience are over. That's a red ocean, full of competition and bleeding margins. The secret is to find a blue ocean, a micro niche. A micro niche is a small, specific segment of a larger market with its own unique problems and passions. Think smaller than pet supplies. Think smaller than dog supplies. Think eco-friendly toys for anxious small breed dogs. Or instead of kitchen gadgets, think specialty baking tools for sourdough for enthusiasts. When you go this specific, you're no longer a tiny fish in a giant pond. You become the big fish in a small, dedicated pond. Your marketing becomes infinitely easier because you know exactly who you're talking to and what their specific pain points are. Once you have your micro niche, your content strategy becomes crystal clear. You're not just showing off a product, you're telling a story. You create problem-solving content. The formula is simple but powerful. Hook, problem, agitate, solution. You start with a strong hook to stop the scroll, something like, you're cleaning your air fryer all wrong, or this is the biggest mistake new plant owners make. Then, you present the problem and agitate it, making the viewer feel the frustration. You spend ages scrubbing that greasy basket, only for it to be dirty again tomorrow. Finally, you introduce your product as the elegant, perfect solution. But this reusable silicone liner means you'll never have to scrub it again. This format provides immediate value to the viewer, builds trust, and positions your product as an essential problem solver, not just a nice-to-have. Now, let's talk platforms. TikTok and Instagram Reels are your best friends here. Their algorithms are designed to push good content to new audiences, regardless of your follower count. You don't need 1 million followers to get 1 million views. Your primary goal is creating short, snappy, vertical videos typically 7 to 15 seconds long that follow that problem-solution format. Use trending sounds, but make sure they fit the vibe of your video. Use clear, bold on-screen text to reinforce your message, as many people watch without sound. Your call to action, or CTA, is crucial. It shouldn't always be, buy now. It can be follow for more tips, or comment your biggest struggle with the problem. This builds your community. The most important CTA, however, is directing people to the link in your bio, which leads directly to your product page. That's how you turn viewers into customers. Let's look at a real-world case study to see how powerful this is. One beginner, let's call him Alex, found a micro niche, portable, high-quality blenders for health-conscious office workers. He didn't run a single paid ad. Instead, he created a TikTok account and started posting simple videos. Some showed him making a smoothie at his desk in 30 seconds. Others compared his blender's power to a cheap, flimsy competitor. He used hooks like, your sad desk lunch needs this. Over 2 months, a few of his videos took off, generating millions of views. The result? He generated over $7,000 in revenue. Now here's the magic part. His cost for the products was about $1,000. Because he had zero ad spend, his profit was over $6,000. That's an insane profit margin of over 85%. This wasn't a fluke. It was the direct result of finding a targeted niche and creating valuable content that the algorithm loved. To make this work, you need a simple but effective workflow. First, use tools like TikTok's Creative Center, Answer the Public, or even just browsing Reddit forums related to your niche to find out what questions people are asking. This is your content goldmine. Second, batch create your content. Dedicate one day to filming 10 to 15 short videos. This ensures consistency. Third, create a posting schedule. Aim for 1 to 3 times per day on TikTok and Instagram. Consistency signals to the algorithm that you're a serious creator. Finally, track your analytics. Don't just look at views. Look at watch time, profile visits, and most importantly, clicks on the link in your bio. The data will tell you which hooks, formats, and video styles are resonating most with your audience, so you can double down on what works. So, let's recap this into an actionable checklist you can start today. 1. Brainstorm 5 micro niches you're interested in. Passion helps. 2. For one of those niches, find 10 common problems or questions people have. 3. Script out 3 short videos using the problem solution format. 4. Film them using just your smartphone. Don't overthink the quality. Authenticity wins. 5. Post them and start letting the algorithm work for you, instead of you paying to work against it. This is the 15-second trick. Stop paying for traffic and start earning it with value. It's a simple shift, but it's the one that separates the struggling 70% from the profitable 30%. Now, a quick disclaimer. Results aren't guaranteed overnight. This requires consistency and a willingness to learn and adapt. But the path is clear, the tools are free, and the opportunity is massive. You have the strategy. Now it's time to execute.